Out there to you. In this video, we're going to look at this monopolistically competitive firm graph and figure out if they're making a profit or loss. And it's actually pretty easy. They are making a loss. Anytime that average total cost is above any spot on the demand curve, they're making a loss or earning a loss or suffering a loss, however you want to say that. So just looking at this graph here, this is the price axis. This is the quantity axis. This is demand. Okay, so firm demand, and then AR means average revenue. Okay, so anywhere along this demand curve, so like let's say you picked this price, that would tell you that you're going to sell this many units at this price. And if you picked, say, this price, you're only going to sell this many units. So that's what the demand curve tells us. Marginal revenue is the rate of change in the total revenue function. So what it means is the more that I sell, and the lower my price, how much does total revenue change? That's what marginal revenue is here. So first we want to find out if we're profit maximizing. Now that means that MR equals MC. What is the quantity? That's the quantity right here. So quantity when profit maximizing would be right here. However, I can mark up the price. So I'm going to mark up the price up to here. And that's going to be the price that I charge if I want to sell QMC. Now in this problem, we're told what these numbers mean. So quantity where MC is 450. So this would be 450. And then price for MC is 17. And then average total cost at 450 units. So right here, all this all the way up here is $22. This must be an error. This must not be what that means. Right here, price per marginal cost or profit maximization probably is going to be right there, 17. So the difference here to here is going to be $5. And actually, regardless of any type of graph that you have, it's the per unit loss is the difference between average total cost and the price. So whatever the difference between this and this is, that's your loss. So in this case, it's going to be 5. And so we'll lose $5 rather, on however many units we sell, which is 450. So let me pull up the calculator real quick. And that's our answer, 450 times 5. So I'm going to lose 2,250 loss. So that's how to figure out the total loss. So in the long run, because this is monopolistically competitive, this firm is going to exit the market. That will shift the demand curve to the left, and for the existing firms might get closer to a profit.